Hello dear students, as you all know that now we are going to have your final exams, okay, and today you are getting your 32nd assignment and this is the last assignment of this session, okay. After that you will not get any assignment and you have to prepare for your exams, okay. So watch the video properly because in this video I have explained you that how you will prepare for your final exams. Also student, you all know that this time you are going to do your exam in an offline mode, okay, that you are going to get the question paper in your WhatsApp groups and then you have to solve them properly. So do the solution of each and every question, okay, then only you will be getting full marks. If you are just writing the answers, so your marks will be deducted, okay. Okay, so let's get started. Class 3rd, today we will go through a quick revision of your whole syllabus. So first is your chapter number 4, that is your multiplication, and second one is your division. This we have done. Now I'm just telling you that what you have to prepare in your geometry. In geometry you have to prepare types of lines. We know that we are having 3 types of lines, that is your vertical line, slanting line and horizontal line, okay. So you have to know that what is a vertical line, slanting line and a horizontal line. Your question can come like, I have drawn a figure and I will ask you that how many vertical lines or horizontal lines or slanting lines are there in this figure. So your answer will be how many vertical lines? 0 horizontal line, 1 horizontal, this is your horizontal line, and how many slanting lines? 1, 2, 2 slanting lines. Clear? Next is your to write down the difference between a line segment and a ray. Okay, so you have to understand that what is the difference between a line segment and a ray. Okay, so what is your line? A line means this is your line, and if I put arrows on both sides, it means a line is infinitely long. Okay, it can extend to the towards the left as well as towards the right. Okay, and it does not have any endpoint. As I have made arrow on both the side, what does it indicate? That this line, if I name it as AB, then this line AB has no endpoint and you cannot measure a line. Next is your line segment. So how you will draw line segment? Line segment have a particular length, okay. It has two endpoint. One endpoint is this and another endpoint is this. So if it is having an endpoint, you can measure the line segment, and that is your AB. Okay, and how you will name it as AB, and this is the symbol of line segment, and how you will represent a line AB, and then this is the symbol of line. Next one is your ray. A ray has a starting point but no ending point. Okay, this is the starting point. So I have put a point over here, and this is a this arrow indicate that it is extended towards the right endlessly. Okay, and how you will represent a ray? This is your A, and this point considered as B. So you will write A, B, and this is the arrow symbol of ray. Clear? Next is your measuring a line segment. So for that I have drawn a line over here. Now how you will measure it? You will put your ruler in such a way that the zero of your ruler coincide with the starting point, and you can see the end point it as 20. Okay, so the length of this line is 20 centimeter. Okay, how you will use your ruler? You will put this ruler in such a way that the zero in your ruler coincide with the starting point. Okay, now second is your drawing a line segment. Suppose I told you to draw a line segment of 12 centimeter. Now how you will do? You will put your ruler, then what you have to do? It is of 12 centimeter. So put one point at 0. Okay, and another point at 12. And now join these two. Okay, so this is a line segment of 12 centimeter. Okay, and you will name it as A and B or whatever alphabet you want to use. Okay, so these are the important things of your chapter number 6. Now we will go with your next chapter. Next is your chapter number 7, that is your fraction. Okay, so what is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of whole. So I have written 3 upon 4. So it represents that out of total 4 I am taking 3 part. Okay, now next is what is your numerator and denominator of fraction. Okay, the upper part is known as your numerator, and the number or the part which is below this dividing line is your denominator. Okay, now your questions like color the part of the whole to show the given fraction. Here I have drawn a square and I have divided into 4 equal parts and I have written a fraction 2 upon 4. So you have to color it according to the given fraction. So 2 upon 4 means you have to take 2 parts out of these 4. So you can shade any 2 parts. Okay, it is up to you that which 2 parts you want to shade. Okay, now your second question, that what fraction of the shape is shaded. Okay, now come to this shape. In this shape, how many parts I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number of parts are 6, and how many parts I have shaded? 1, 2. So its fraction become 2 by 6. Similarly, you have question that what fraction of the shape is not shaded. Okay, these all questions are in your exercise 7.1. So go through with your exercise very properly. Okay. Next is your addition and subtraction of fraction. You should know that how to add and subtract two different fractions. Okay. Next is your writing the fraction in ascending and descending order. These questions have been given in your all the examinations. So it is very important that how to write the fraction in ascending and descending order. Next is your word problems based on fractions. Again, I am telling you, then whenever you are solving a word problem, it is very important to write down the statements. Okay, then only I will be giving you full marks. And the last part is your of solving the questions like 1/4 of 20. This we have done many times and I have given you this in revision also. Okay, next is your chapter number 8, that is your measurement. Okay, in this chapter I have given you, sometimes I have given you activity in which you have to write the appropriate unit to measure the length of the following or to measure the following. Okay, so the length of the pencil must be measured in what will be the unit you will use to measure the length of the pencil, that is your centimeter, or the length of this marker will be measured in centimeter only. Next is your a tank of water, so the unit you will use to measure the capacity of tank of water will be your liter. Okay, so your questions can come like this. Next is your addition and subtraction of your different kinds of unit. Okay, and this is very important that how to add them and subtract them. I told you that first you have to arrange them in different columns and then you have to add or subtract them. Okay, next is your word problems. So the word problems is this chapter, you have to prepare for them. And now last one is your conversion of unit. This is very important, that conversion of units and all, that is conversion of units of length. Second one is your weight and third one is your capacity. Okay, so you should learn that how to convert one unit of length, weight or capacity to the another unit of length, weight and capacity. Clear? Now next is your chapter number 9. In this chapter you will learn your conversion of time. Okay, in this chapter we have done this much only. And second is your, in chapter number 10, that is your money, you will learn conversion of money. And next is your addition and subtraction. Okay, so this is the syllabus or this is the way you have to prepare for your final exam. So student, this is all for today. Now you will prepare your all the syllabus of yours which I have written on this board, as well as from 16 to 32nd assignment. Okay, all the syllabus or all the things which we have covered in your covered from 16 to 32nd assignment. Again, I am telling that while solving your paper, be very sincere. Your handwriting should be good and you should write the solution properly. Okay, do the complete solution of your questions. So students, take care and all the best.